What's up, guys? It's your boy Mike, Hawk Crypto. It's a little late for me. My voice is a little raspy. It's about 1:30 a.m. here at the farm. But I'm getting all the infrastructure ready, guys, because guess what? I'm going to begin hosting. Yup, you heard me. I'm going to start hosting rigs for people because I got a decent electric rate, so we're about to start doing it. But guys, I want to show you the farm, all the upgrades I'm doing for the hosting and all that stuff. So I got some upgrades in already, got the racks in. So pardon me, guys, I'm a little tired, but we'll get through this video. Let's roll that intro and let's get to it. So real quick, guys, one of my clients actually got me this cool little award here for the 1,000 subscribers. So I thought that was really cool. It was a gift. I thought it was awesome. So big shout out to Austin. Thank you so much for sending me this, man. It's an honor to host your rigs. You're one of my first customers. I appreciate that. So let's get into it. So as you can see here, just adjusting the camera a little bit. As you can see, we got about 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 R8s for customers in already. We got 1 X12 over there, Octominer. So here you go, guys. So we're installing the racks right now. I got them in. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna stand up the Octominers because it's a lot easier. And if I stand them up and then, you know, aisle them out, so that's what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna have to make an upgrade, guys, on is you see this wire rack here? I don't know if you can probably tell. This is like a wire shelving. I'm gonna get rid of that and I'm gonna put plywood here. It's more sturdy and it'll be able to hold those Octominers when they're tilted upright. I did try it right here, but obviously, guys, it didn't work. So I had to lay this one back down. But as soon as I get it, I'll turn it over. At least I can fit another set there. Shout out to GPU Risers. Got his flag right there, mint. It's coming along. Just got this one up and going for a client right now, and we're just testing it out. Now I'm gonna get one of those portable laptop stands that are on wheels so I can go around and connect to each one if I have to. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So I'm obviously, guys, I'm gonna have to update this switch. I'm gonna get another one and we're gonna run a little bit more low voltage. What we're gonna do is we're gonna box this in now. We're gonna box in the whole aisle. We're gonna get it going. That's gonna be really good. Let me come back here a little bit. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. Obviously, guys, I can't put a rack right here because of the code. There's got to be a walk space because of the stairs. So what I'm going to do is when I close it in, I'm going to put a door right here, and then we're going to put another rack starting about maybe a foot behind here. So we're going to go there. So once I get the air filtration installed this week, that'll be done. We'll put the third rack that I bought here, and we'll get it moving. So I got to get this S19 reflashed. We're gonna figure that out, so stay tuned for a video on that. We did, guys, add the hobbyist miner on the wall. What's up, hobbyist? Appreciate you, my brother. Guys, so I wanted to show you my new test bench. Got a 2060 plugged up. It's a really cool card. I'm testing it out. Obviously, it's off at this moment. And guys, check out this new riser from GPU Risers, guys. It's got 12 capacitors. And you can also see the voltage now and the temperature on it. This is really cool. Use my referral link below, guys, if you want to get one. So, awesome made product, very, very reliable. I only recommend this product. So, guys, check it out. Use my affiliate link below. It's awesome. It's mint, as my boy Chump would say. So, all right, guys. So, after some logistical issues, I'm no longer getting the immersion tank. We're going to repurpose the panel and bring it down here to power some more rigs. I did get a full refund on that, so I will not be going immersion. I'm sorry if you guys were looking forward to that. I just can't do it. It's taking too long. I need the money back to invest in this because this is obviously more important. So that's what I'm doing there. If you guys are interested in having me host for you, please send me an email below. We'll get talking about it. Thank you so much for supporting me. At the bottom of my heart, I truly mean it. So I will see you soon. Hawk out. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. It's probably like 2 a.m. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.